My genius. I think I'm gonna cop.
This thing's pretty.
Wait, is it ready?
What?
Is it ready to go? Alright, push it, John.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Austin, hold it. Just hold the camera. I don't want to.
Just, I like that.
Whoa. Oh. Stop it. Kill the battery. Okay. Well, don't film that.
Oh God. Oh God. What? I'm not doing anything. Oh, like fire in the hole.
Oh,
That's my
I don't know what this does.
You still hear it perfectly fine.
Okay.
You need earmuffs.
Oh shit. Ooh.
Yeah.
You seriously need earmuffs for this thing?
You'll see why.
Oh my God.
Oh, I made a fire! I think John's dead.
Oh, you're funny.
Oh God.
Ah. Oh my God. Nice.
Alright, I'm gonna see if I can curve the bullet. Alright, John.
Okay.
Bullet on your head. We're gonna see if I can curve the bullet, okay?
Oh my God.
I curved it. It went right around your head. Oh God.
Oh,
Fire in the hole!
she just got real. She just got real. Oh, how do I do this?
You need to screw it in the top right after I spray it.
Okay. Okay, spraying his little thing. Oh, that's it. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
Yeah. That's tough.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on, I need some nail. Oh my God! It's
freaking awesome.
Ooh, fire in the...
Oh, wait. I was ready for that.
Really? That was that freaking sound, man.
It's pretty loud. Wow, that hit some metal. That wasn't ready. That was so
That's the bullet.
Oh, the dog tape came off.
And some of the wood chipped off. Cool. Ah, fuck, bro. Here you go.
What? It broke it.
And just the other half. Cool. There you go. Let's shoot some stuff like some.
All right,
some
John, go out
bottles.
there, and we're gonna put a can on your head and shoot it off.
You're funny.
Now. What? All right, no. That's what we're gonna do. You're gonna stand out there. I'm gonna put this on your shoulder and shoot. All right.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna use your shoulder as a.
All
Put
right.
a can on the floor and shoot that.
That what?
The can on the floor.
Okay. You ready? Oh, nice.
Okay. No problem. Oh, I can't see shit.
Got it.
Oh, I'm gonna shoot it like the gangsters.
All right.
Oh, I got text message. Oh shit, I can't shoot like that. Oh, I just missed it.
Austin, you need help?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. I don't think right. I don't even know.
No. It's all warped now.
What the fuck? Oh my
No,
God.
that's kind of what he's telling. It's all warped. Here, I got one over here.
Oh fuck!
You're a dumbass.
The hell? I didn't know you were passing me.
Yeah.
Alright,
Get
got
on
it.
the back as well. Got it. So good. Alright, I'm gonna try shooting it like a black guy. What are you doing?
Trying to get the tip.
No.
Oh, never mind. Screw it.
You gotta let it air out before you shoot it. Oh, shit. I'm gonna go for a collateral.
I Exhaustion again? Yeah. Alright, so we put the black spray thing on again.
What?
Do we put this thing?
Let it air out a little bit.
Alright.
Can you just put air back in it, John? Or Austin? Yeah. Wait. Damn it.
Whole lot of nothing.
Can't do this nigger stuff. I don't think we can fight.
Okay, next time.